Hi guys, I'm Kesha Wanda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't opened an account with Binance, you can use the link down below to register. Okay, today I'm going to show you the different fiat channels available on Binance. Before we start, kindly subscribe to my channel. Note, over the last 12 years, cryptocurrencies have gotten a lot of attention on a global scale, though this digital currency have yet to reach mass adoption. There is enough evidence pointing to the fact that cryptocurrency are here to stay. So if you want to learn more about Binance Fiat, this guide is for you. But before we dive in, you have to understand what Fiat is. Fiat allows users to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies using fiat currencies on Binance. All you have to do is to click on the home page, click on deposit, wait for it to load. Select the currency you want to deposit. Since I have my Nigerian card, I'll go for Nigeria. Click on cash link, then continue. Wait for it to open again. Put the amount you want to buy, but have it in mind that I'm not going to buy, but I'll only show you how to do that. So let's go for 20k. Put 20,000. Then continue. Wait for it to open again. You can see all the merchants are here. The ones with green icon are verified merchants. All of them are verified merchants. So you make a choice and you can see all of them have their charging fee. Like say if you're buying a crypto of 20,000 naira, what you'll be receiving is 19,900 because of the 100 naira fee they are collecting. Have that in mind. So let's go for JDS exchange. You click on send request. Once you click on that send request, you wait for a moment for it to open again. You can see where it's showing make payments. This 20,000. Make sure you copy the account details of this person you are seeing, which is the merchant. Make the necessary transfer you are to do for the merchants.